What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden. Today we're going to get back to some more body panel stuff. All I have left in black is what's left of that sheet that I had. I measured it out and I should be able to make a replacement for this outer piece, this inner piece that's got the nice little rip here. And I think I'm gonna have enough to do this one as well. So that's gonna be the goal for right now. Really got to get to work. I'm down to, like, I don't know, I think it's something like 14 days or something before, if not less. It's probably less, actually. Let me see here. I don't want to lie to you guys. Let me look. It is January 8th, right? And I think I need to be down there by the 19th. So 11 days to get the car done. So let's get to work. All right, new day here. Camera died while I was making panels, but I did get what panels made that I thought I was going to be able to. I got of course, this rear panel that is double lip here, lip to replace this one right here. So that one's going to go there. Then I have the outer panel made. I made an outer panel for the other side over there, just the back. And I barely had enough to make an outer panel for the front here. You can see I don't have a fold over lip like this on this. If the brake outside would have let me make a smaller hem on this side, I would have had a 1/4 inch more on this side to be able to make a little hem, but it's already going to be close. It came out to being the exact same size as the old one, and you can see here's the old one, and you can see it was pop riveted in right on the edge. See, this one had a hem on it, and see, I had to patch this like crazy to keep it going, but this one had a hem on it, and you can tell that it was pop riveted in right along the edges here, right there, right? And then if we go over to the other side, it was right along the edges. I just flat ran out of material, but it is a usable piece. It came out to being the exact same size. I was hoping to get just a little bit more overhang so that I could have moved it in a little bit farther. Oh well, this is going to be okay. I will probably, since these are kind of temporary I'm calling these temporary panels because I'm hoping that soon I'm going to be able to get all of the aluminum required to build a whole new deck, because even the pieces that are on here are still kind of beat up. Like this one's still got some tears in it. So I'll probably end up reinforcing this spot here. It's got a tear in it here. I need to reinforce that just a little bit, and probably reinforce the front piece just a little. But I have enough to put this thing back together, really, which was the main goal. The only thing that I'm kind of disappointed about is I didn't have another piece to be able to make one to replace this under here. I'm going to hopefully get a better look at that. It's pretty twisted and dented underneath. I'm going to see what I can do about straightening that out, because it would be a boon to the mounting of the driver's side door panel on this side. So yeah, kind of have what we have here, but we'll be able to put it together and go race with that. Now that I've got those body panels and pieces made, I'm actually going to set them off to the side. You can kind of tell that on the back side here, it's fairly nice to reach up inside with these panels out of the way. So I'm going to finish taking panels off and go ahead and really dive into some more suspension prep and things like that with those panels off. And then since we're not replacing the whole body, I'm gonna have to go through straightening out the old body panels enough to get them on here mounted, and all of that happy stuff. So I did reach out to Las Vegas dirt track, and I wanted to confirm. They have posted that they are running Wasota they are running Wasota, UMP, I think it's ST, a whole bunch of other divisions. They did not list IMCA, but they are running, allowing for cars to run the IMCA tire, which is actually I have been told is a worse tire than what those other classes get to run. So I reached out and I was like, hey, you know, I read through the rules and stuff. I'm not seeing anything that my car does not meet in any of those rule packages. In fact, there's a couple things that I would say I'm outclassed on a little bit, but that is what it is, right? If I want to go down there and race, I'm just going to be racing with guys that are allowed to do a handful of things that I'm not. Though, talking body-wise, they did confirm that I would be, with an open motor or a crate motor, I would be allowed to run a 5-inch sail panel back here, 5-inch wing. So if all things go well, maybe I'll be making a wing. I don't know. I've never, to be honest, I've never had to make one before. So that might be a thing that happens here shortly. I'm going to make sure the rest of the car is ready to go, but yeah, I might do that. On that long, it's a half mile. It usually slicks off really good. I'm pretty sure that amount of downforce, any downforce I can get, is going to be extremely helpful, especially when I'm using the G60, the IMCA stamped G60 tire, which kind of puts me at a disadvantage if I'm understanding all the information that I've collected. So anything that helps get a little bit more grip helps, right? So anyways, that looks like that's going to be the plan. I'm going to do some more work here. We're quickly running out of time, and hopefully get some things situated and ready to rock and roll. And then I'll probably come back, because right now it's a scramble. So I'll come back and probably tell you what I've done, because I really got to get some things busted out as I go here. Yeah, I've hit scrambled brain mode. Really, I what I need to do to help myself is sit down and make a list. Yeah, I need to sit down and make a list. Okay, got the car running in the background. You can probably hear in there. I gotta stand out. I usually stand outside, look at the gauges there as I watch, because the methanol gets kind of crazy and starts burning your eyes a lot. So letting her warm up a little bit. Gonna go over some things. I know that I had an oil leak. I'm gonna see if I can try to figure out where that oil leak was coming from. It was just a little drip, but it annoys me and I'd like to find it. So I'm going through that process right now. And then next steps are I'm gonna be taking the 4 bars off, rotating my bird cages, make sure those are still moving really nice, and cleaning up heim joints and all of that happy stuff. I'll probably double check the full bar again, even though I just put that on there before that Diamond Mountain race back in November. But things are starting to come along, and still got lots more to do. But I think that's where we're gonna start today. Alrighty, getting a little bit closer. Whole car's up on jack stands. I went ahead and tore apart this side. Checked the hub. Hub is good. I lubed up my 4 bars, upper and lower. Lubricated the little, so like the shock mount deal here. It twists, right, on the weir stuff. And so got those all lubricated up, and the bird cage felt really good. I do need to you know, reset my bars, actually set my bars where I want them, but for now, that's just kind of where I got stuff sitting. I'm gonna check my shock. That still needs to come off. I need to go through my slider here and service the little bearing deal up above the spring there, make sure that thing's still good. And that's just the left rear. I still got to do the right rear, but hey, I got this thing started. Cars ran for the first time in a while, and it's just nice to get things rolling, you know. I went looking for that oil leak. I'm still not 100% sure where it's at. I think it's the oil pan, but it's back up behind the filter, I believe. So not 100% sure exactly where it's at, but I'll keep looking for that. Noticed a lot of things that I need to address, and I'm gonna go inside, call it a night, and make my list for how I'm gonna attack the rest of it, but getting a lot closer. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, down below. The goal's Las Vegas. Fingers crossed, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.